Hello students, in first part of SOP 4 we have seen two mouse events, on mouse over and on mouse click. In the same SOP 4 they have given the second aim, you have to create another web page. In that you have to do the same thing, that background colors should be changing and 7 different and visibly distinct colors should be changing continuously, but the event is different. That time we have created two buttons, and on the first button on mouse over means whenever we are moving the cursor on the button, that time colors are continuously changing and they are going on changing continuously until you will not close that window. Then second button was there in the first part of this SOP 4. Second button was there, and on click event of that button we have displayed one message in the status bar. Now the second part of the SOP 4 is you have to create a separate web page, means you have to create a new notepad file. You have to open new notepad file. In that, on load means whenever that web page will be getting loaded in the web browser, that time color should change. Instead of click on any button or moving the cursor on the button, you have to change the colors of the document. Background color should change immediately after loading of that web page, and when you will close that web page, that time one message box should be displayed. So here in the body tag, onload event is taken. In that F1 function is called, and on unload event MSG function is called. So in H1 heading is same, 7 different and visibly distinct background colors, and it is in center, so align attribute and center is its value. Then script tag in the after body tag, end of body, then script tag and language attribute you have to specify JavaScript as the scripting language. Then same function, it is a function definition and it is a user defined function, so function keyword is compulsory, and any name you can give. As it is a user defined function, any name you can give. That function name should start with small letter. Here F1 is the function name. Then document.bg color. BG color is the property of document, so access it with document keyword and dot operator, and its value is violet, means first violet color we want. After that, after 1200 millisecond time interval, we have to call F2 function. In F2 function background color should be indigo. Then after indigo color, 1200 millisecond time interval, color should change to blue. So every function, in every function we are calling next function after certain interval of time. So 7 colors we want, so till F7 we will be writing this coding, and in F7 again we are calling F1 and function MSG. So this message function should be called on unload, means whenever you will close that window. That time I have used confirm method, so you can use alert and confirm method. You know that alert method will display message box with OK button, and confirm method will display message box with OK and cancel button, and whatever message you have to display, that will be in the double quotes. Now end of script, end of HTML, all this coding, all this logic is in the script tag, you can see, and whatever designing part is there, that is in the body tag. Let us run this file, and already you know how to save. It is already saved. You in file menu you have to go on the save. As it is already saved, I will show you save as, and SOP 4.2 .html extension and save it will replace because it is already existing, and open it now with any browser. Double click on this, you will get it in the Google Chrome itself, and see when immediately after loading of this page, continuously these colors are changing, and when you will close this window, that time you will get one message box of that message display of 7 colors. In Internet Explorer, you will get this message. Remember, you have to do allow block content. In Internet Explorer, whenever you are running JavaScript program, you will get this pop-up that allow block content. You have to allow it, and when you will close this window, you will get one message box for fraction of second that will be for confirm. So it will be asking, it will be displaying you the message display of 7 different colors. That is on unload event that you will get on unload. So you have to execute this coding. These two programs, previous one and these two programs are of SOP4. Both you have to execute. Execute it and take a screenshot of your input as well as output. For printout purpose, you keep it saved with soft copy. Thank you.